my goodness, I love these. They're so long now. We're doing our nails today. The Style Addict way. My mom and I went Christmas shopping just before Christmas. And of course we walked into Claire's because both of us love it in there. Cheap and cute. And I don't know, I like cheap and cute. I have had these puppies on for a better part of a month. Yeah, I think I did these just after Christmas. I think I had my Christmas nails on for the day of Christmas. I went down to see my family, came back, switched my nails out, ready for the new year, and this is what I had picked for my New Year's nails. These nails have been on ever since. Now, remember that I work with horses. I have 4 crazy dogs that always want my attention. I'm out there walking. It's cold. I'm watering my horses all the time, feeding them. I'm working on a house right now, so I'm painting and hammering. Yeah, I was hammering. Normally, I do like to do acrylic nails or gel nails. Lately, though, I haven't had a lot of time to do my nail art, you know, the acrylic nails. That job alone takes me probably about 2 days because I'll do the prep work, prep my nails, get everything ready, and then leave it. And then the next day go in and do my gel or whatever I'm doing. But lately I've just wanted to get my nails done and get back to what I have to do. I have a seriously busy schedule and these nails are intact. Like they haven't broke. Okay, they have not broke. What I like about them is they've got a little bit of give to them. A little bit of give to them. So they're bendy. They don't snap off. They kind of bend here and there. They have a little bit of give. Like this nail here bent twice, didn't break, but as you can see, like it's in perfect shape. So we decided to buy these nails. They were on sale. I would have to ask my mom. I don't even remember how much they cost, but they weren't much. I think they were like $6 for each package. They're normally $9 per package, but I had never tried a set of these nails before. Today I'm going to be using the pink ones with a little plaid markings. I thought they were so cute. Like I really like them. And of course I got a few here, but yeah. So what we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how I take these off, everything I use, and how I put the new ones on, and everything that's involved from taking them off to putting the new set on. Normally would probably only take me maybe about an hour and a half. Filming it is probably going to take a little bit longer than that, but normally about an hour and a half. And like I said, with these particular set of nails, they last a long time. They're very durable. The only reason I'm actually taking them off, because like honestly, they are stuck on there good. Like they're stuck on there good. The only reason I'm taking them off is because my cuticle area is getting quite thick. My nails have grown out actually quite a bit, and it's just time for a change. I need the changes. What you're going to need, the first thing is a kiss container. Now this one here, I actually have used it so much. Like from the beginning of the time that I've actually started using nails, I bought this. The inside had little ribs in it, have actually come off. What I've done is I've put, this is a Scotch Brit, kind of like a scratch pad, I guess, that you use to clean dishes. Costs like $1. I mean, you can get a pack of 5 or whatever. And I cut it up and I just slipped it inside the kiss container, and it fit perfectly, and it works like a charm because you do need something a little bit rough, helping the acetone get the nail off. And of course, you're going to need your 100% pure acetone. This one here I bought from the drugstore. Now you don't have to buy something like this from the drugstore because honestly, this container here is actually quite expensive. If you go to like a Home Hardware or a Canadian Tire, you can actually get the pure acetone, and this is what I normally have on hand for my nails. Like, where is the size? Oh, right on the top left corner. 3.78 liters. So I think I spent about like $9 on this. The Beauty Secrets nail glue is something I get from the Flex nail supply store. Now, a lot of people aren't going to go into a nail supply store, but that's it there. That's the one I normally use for my nails. But a nice alternative is this one here, Perfect Bond. It is a little bit smaller container, but Perfect Bond. And I get this one from the big drugstores in the city. So you can get a nice alternative. This is a very good nail glue. I never use the glue that's included in any of the nails that I buy. I never do. You're also going to need a file. So just a pair of nail clippers, this type here for stray cuticle, this one for cutting the nails if you need to, and my cuticle pusher. So we are going to get started with the video and show you from start to finish how I go from this to this. So before you dip your nails into the acetone, just take off the excess nail at the end. It's just a lot less nail that has to dissolve into the acetone. Yeah, I prefer that. Then I just slip them into the acetone and leave them in there until the nail is completely dissolved, glue and all. Very gently push back your cuticles. If you want to do it a little bit easier, just soak them for a couple minutes in warm water. It just makes them a little bit softer. Then I trim off the really dry excess part of my cuticle. A lot of people don't like to do this, but I do it just because my nails are, my cuticles are very dry. I preferred to use a little bit better file. This one was a little bit rough. I actually usually use my Dremel, but yeah, if you're going to do this, use a slightly less aggressive file. I'm just trimming off the excess of my natural nail. Please do not forget your rubbing alcohol. This step is very, very important to helping keep your nails clean and bacteria free. You do not want any bacteria between your nail and the fake nail. It's not healthy. Then I take the glue and I do a strip down the middle, as you can see here. It's just easier when you place the nail, the glue spreads out to either side. You don't have too much of a mess if you do it this way. And these nails, I actually really like them. They go on very easy. They fit, right at the base of my nail really nicely. They're not square. Sometimes I get fake, false nails that are square at the end, and that doesn't fit my nail bed very good. So these ones fit really nicely. Then after you've done all that, I just take a Q-tip and wipe off the excess glue underneath the nail. And for an added little bonus, just a dab of nail glue right there. And I'm going to put a little stone. It's pretty. And finally, nail cuticle oil. Oh, I love this stuff. You want to have really nice looking nails, definitely put this on and then rub it into the nail. It just makes your nails look so nice. And my nails are always really dry, so I do probably do this probably 3 times a week just to keep my nails, in good shape. And there you have it. Fast and easy, beautiful nails. I did forget to mention in my video that even though I used this here, this is just something that I've had on hand for many, many years. I like it, but you can also use like a small cup if you want. My horsey cup. I have used something like this. What you do is you just cut your little spongy cleaning thing and just stick it in there, and you can use that as well. It's just as easy. Also, don't forget when you're dealing with glitter, even on pre-made nails like the ones I had on before, I like to file the glitter off because a lot of the times you're going to be sitting there in the acetone forever. When it comes to glitter, very hard to get off. I like to just file that off and dip my hands into the acetone. It just doesn't take as long to get the nails to come off. Now, the thing with the Claire's nails is that they come off a lot faster than like my Kiss nails or like gel nails, acrylic nails. They come off really fast. Soaking them like that took me approximately 10 minutes. I'm spitting again, for each hand, which is wonderful because a lot of times I can be sitting there for a half hour depending on the type of nails that I'm wearing. The Claire's nails are wonderful for coming off. They have a beautiful durability. Like these ones here I'll probably have on for a better part of 4 weeks. Usually I have to take them off within about 4 weeks because the cuticles of mine start to grow out and it just bothers me. But honestly, with the glue that I use and these particular nails, they will stay on long time. Am I doing this too much? Okay, now that I'm finished playing around with my nails, I think it's time for me to get to work. Yeah, like we are still sitting now, I believe, at -39, borderlining -40 to -41. We are having a huge cold spell up here, so I'm gonna go into my other office and hibernate in there for about 4 hours. So you guys have a great week. Hopefully it's warm where you are because it sure isn't here. I hope to see you for next week's video. You guys have a great one. Bye.